Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2026. These aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of art made for billionaires and collectors who want the rarest of the rare. Let's jump right in. Number 5. SP Automotive Chaos, $14 million. Starting our list is the Chaos by Spiros Panopoulos Automotive, a futuristic hypercar built with aerospace materials and insane performance figures. With over 2,000 horsepower in some versions, it's designed to push engineering to the absolute limit. But what really drives up the price is exclusivity. Only a handful of people will ever own one. Number 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. Next is a Pagani masterpiece. The Zonda HP Barchetta is one of the most unique designs in Pagani's history. With its open-top body and retro-styled wheels, it looks like nothing else on the road. Pagani only made 3 units, making it one of the rarest cars money can buy, if you're lucky enough to even find one for sale. Number 3. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18 million. At number 3 we have Bugatti's black car, also known as La Voiture Noire. It's a one-off creation, inspired by the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. With its sleek design, massive W16 engine, and Bugatti prestige, it's more than just a hypercar. It's a piece of automotive history, carrying a price tag of nearly $19 million. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $28 million. Coming in second is pure luxury on wheels, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, inspired by luxury yachts. This car is hand-built with the highest level of craftsmanship. It even features a rear deck that opens up to reveal a hosting suite, complete with champagne coolers and custom parasols. Only 3 have been built, each tailored to its owner. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Droptail, $30 million plus. And finally, the crown jewel, the Rolls-Royce Droptail. Currently the most expensive new car in the world, priced at over $30 million. Each Droptail is a fully coach-built commission, designed around the personal vision of its owner. It's not just a car, it's a one-of-a-kind piece of art, the ultimate expression of wealth and exclusivity. Closing. And that's our list of the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2026. From futuristic hypercars to bespoke Rolls-Royces, these machines prove that for the ultra-rich, cars are more than just transportation. They're status symbols and masterpieces. Which one of these cars blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content.